Welcome back to AWS DevOps Lokesh Tech YouTube channel, and thanks for subscribing my channel, and kindly do share and subscribe for new people. And I requesting everybody kindly share playlist Docker, AWS, and Linux, and also shell scripting. So when new people comes, they will subscribe. So this I'm trying to give best content, okay, in my possible way. So kindly like, share, and subscribe. And also, if you have any doubts, kindly do comment. Let's connect in LinkedIn, and we'll try to solve the issues. Okay. So let's get into topic. So today, let me, yeah, 1 second. Is it visible? Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Sounds good. So in Docker Compose, last class we have seen so how to deploy, like whatever custom MongoDB application is there. That MongoDB application, how we have run on the container. Okay, if you have a multiple containers, so yesterday we have seen multiple containers in the same Docker machine, okay, on top of one network, in single network, how we have run the two containers on the Docker, okay, Docker container. Okay, so for example, these two multiple containers are dependent each other, okay, belonging each other. So how we got result? So one is front end and one is back end. Without front end, back end will not work, and back end without back end, front end will not give the proper response. So that is we have seen by using CLI, command line interface. By using single command, we have mentioned everything in one single command. We have also seen some sort of uh, struggles. So to avoid that issue, so we have other concept called Docker. In this Docker Compose declarative part, okay, this is declarative part. So for example, if a file, if you want to, if you have a structure, or so if you have, let's say that you want to run for your application, and that all need to talk each other, okay, and interact with each other. Okay, basically we write a declarative. Okay, so for example, you have multiple services, okay, like this, maybe this is all one service, okay, this is one application, okay, and this is other application. Maybe if it is a front end for suppose, okay, or back end it is for suppose, and it is a front end for suppose, okay. So if they want to talk each other, okay, background, so we have to run the commands in CLI by using CLI. So we have run the commands individually, okay, to avoid that issues, that kind of complexity. So we can run in one file, okay, that is called as Docker Compose file, by using what is YAML, okay, YAML extension. Understood? So we, in whatever services you have, all the services, plenty of services, multiple services, 20, 30, 40, anywhere, n number of services, you can mention in single file with one single command. It can run all together. Okay, understood? So like that. So just give me 1 second. Yeah, yeah. See this? This is version. Guys, can you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Is it visible properly?
Yes, sir. Okay, it's fine.
Okay, 1 second then. So, so this is version. Okay, this version, recent version or old version, what it is compatible. First, you need to mention version. Okay, this is version. Okay, this is already file yesterday's file. I'm trying to open. Okay, that's all good. Yeah, yeah, you can see now, right? So see this? This is version. See this? Yeah, array? Yeah, it's fine. So in this version, okay, this is version. And see this service. Okay, service is there. This service is for MongoDB. All right. This is MongoDB service. This is Mongo Express service. You understood? So you see these two applications are in one service. You are writing in one go, right? So these two applications under this service. So this indentation, if you see this indentation, so I will show you one small thing. First of all, what is indentation? Okay, what is the meaning of indentation? You must learn about this first. First of all, for suppose in India, what is this? Hmm. Anyways, that's fine. Need patience. what I'm trying to explain about indentation. What is indentation? First of all, you have to know about indentation. What is going on, man? To be honest, I'm struggling. Anyways, that's fine. Not good luck. See this, guys. This whatever the service is there, under this two applications are running. These two applications are services. Okay. So for these two applications in, so whatever these two services, these two applications in one version, okay, both having same version. That's why we kept only one version. Under one version, these two backend and front end applications are running, for suppose. Okay. In this service, you are mentioning some MongoDB. What is MongoDB? This is a container, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
MongoDB is a container. Okay. Under this, what are the images we have mentioned? Mongo image. What is the port for that application? One is for host is 27017 and container is 27017. These are all talking like this. Okay. Environment files. These are on environment files we can mention here. See this. For suppose in this container, whatever image is there, these two are in one level. Okay. But this is not in under image. Why? Because this port is belong to only this, right? So that's why we have mentioned under ports. Environment is the same level, image level. Okay, this component is same level. And these two username is password not belonging to any other except this environment. That's why we kept in under environment. Okay, something like this. Okay. And this Mongo Express, Mongo Express is there, right? That application, whatever it is there, so that is equal to MongoDB. These two services, right? Okay. MongoDB and Mongo Express are same level, right? And for this also one image is there. What is that image? Mongo Express image is there. Okay. And what are the ports are there? Ports. Okay. Ports 8081, 8081 for host and container. The same ports we have to mention under port. Environment files, all the environment files you have to mention in environment attribute. Okay, that's fine. For suppose uh, this image is there, right? And ports are there, environment variables are there. Three we have mentioned because we only need all these things, right? So in this, if you for suppose I need another thing, another service, we will write here under this. For example, another application is there. Okay. Mongo DB3. Okay, man, that's fine. That's not a problem. All right. So this is actually entire um, YAML file. Even I am not able to focus just because of this all hanging. See, so you understood, guys? Please ask me instant only if you get any doubt. Please. Sham and Ashwin.
No, no, sir. Got it.
You understood, right?
Yes, sir.
This version,
Yes,
why
sir.
this version I have mentioned separately on top of this. This version, same version will be applicable for these two
Yes, sir.
services.
Both the
Okay.
same.
Yes, sir. For both
Yes.
images.
So these services, how many services we have? Two
Two
services.
Two
One is
services.
services.
MongoDB, other Mongo Express. That's why under this service it will be. This is a big parent. Okay. Under this, these two applications. Understood? These two services serving. Okay. So one application is MongoDB, and what is the image? That image we have to mention image, ports, services, environment. These are all components are there. Whatever components that will be comes under one level. Okay. And child level ports I cannot give this port under this, because so if I give this port it will be separate component. Okay, it will not never comes under port. Okay. For example, if I keep this, for example, if I keep, one second. Okay, for example, if I keep here, okay, for example, if I keep here port. So for example, just leave about this, forget about this. So if I keep like this, it will not comes under port. This will port images, environment, all are in one level. This port will not read these whatever ports I have given the name. It will not read this port. What it will read? It will remain, it will read MongoDB, this port. You understood? So images, port and environments now I kept in this level, so it doesn't works under port, something like this. Okay. For suppose if I keep this, I have removed. Okay, I kept here. For suppose you tell me guys what will happen. MongoDB, whatever MongoDB application is there, that MongoDB application will read. It will, that whatever Docker compose file, it will think that okay, other application also is there. It will consider as an application, something like Mongo Express and MongoDB. You understood? He that will think that Docker think will Docker, what it will think is, so Docker service.yam file, in this file, okay, version file, services, it will calculate like this. It will go one by one. First services, okay, how many services are there? One service 1, service 2, service 3. Why? Because MongoDB, so whatever I mentioned, it will consider as a service here. Okay. For example, if I keep here, okay, what it will read is, okay, no, only two services are there, but in this
Another.
first service MongoDB, some MongoDB container is there. Maybe if it, this is also part of that, it will read like this. If it is not linked with anything, it simply avoid it. It will avoid simply. Okay. Or else if you keep here, what will learn, what it will happen, whatever port, images and environments are there. Okay, these are all titles, these titles. Okay, these titles, whatever images, ports, environments are there. So these parameters, it will think that okay, MongoDB is there, MongoDB under these components are there. First image component, ports component and environment component. Other one is Mongo inserts or something new kind of component is there. But new component is not, if it is not linked with anything, it will simply avoid. Okay. Again, for suppose if I keep here, it will get error because indentation mistake is there here. So it will not read anything. It never read anything. Now it will read because it is under same environment, right? In this environment component, two, whatever the two instructions are there, these two instructions comes under this environment component. Understood? So environment will read this and this will execute. Understood? Right? The same way this application also. So guys, it is very simple to understand. Okay, language. Okay, whatever scripting is there, this is simple to understand, but Indentation is very strictly, okay, YAML is very strict about indentation. You see the line, right? Why I copied in this VS Code in the sense to show these lines. Okay, see this is one level, and MongoDB is one level. Okay, and next images are in one level. Ports, see this, ports, images, environment are in one level. And sub, okay, sub child components, whatever child components are there, that are part of this, these are all in same level. See this, if I select this, see this, it is in part. For example, if I select image, see this, all in one level. Understood? For example, in India, for suppose in India, uh, enter world I can say, enter world I can take an example. For suppose all prime minister in the world are in same level. Okay, in states, all, maybe we have 29 states. Out of 29 states, all chief ministers are in same level. Okay, but prime minister is only one for India. Am I right? So he is the prime minister, man. He is the prime minister. Under prime minister, they are chief ministers. These are all chief ministers. Under chief ministers, okay, these are all ministers. Maybe if it is home minister, or if it is okay, educational minister, or some other ministers like this. Okay, so under ministry, okay, for suppose this is one ministry, for example, home. Under ministry, he is a DGP. Understood? Commissioners, DGPs are all this like this. This is the way they have developed scripting. You understood? That's all. I hope you understood. I'm not sure whether you got it not,
Oh, sir, it's
but
clear.
it's clear, right? That's good. Yeah, fine. So let me take this code. So let me set up first. So I'll go inside AWS. Where is AWS? AWS. Yeah, here it is. All right. So right, no running containers, Docker network, ls. Yeah, this is the right. So MongoDB network is there. So let's remove this. So or else we'll keep, no problem, I'll see. Okay, first of all, I will vi what is the file name, what I have mentioned there in this MongoDB service, or what I have mentioned, Docker DB. No need, this is not Docker DB, right? MongoDB. I can mention MongoDB underscore service dot guys YAML we can give, YML also we can give. Okay. YAML, YAML we can give or YML we can give. So let me open this file. Okay, that's fine. Next, I'll go VSDC. I will take a copy of this. Oh, cool, cool. Yeah, let me try to copy this. Yes, I'll open the file and paste. Okay, so this is the file version. Okay, services MongoDB. We need to cross check. Okay, services under MongoDB. MongoDB is in same level. Yes, indentation is proper. And images ports environment in same level, that's fine. Under ports, yes, port number we have given, and here also port we have given, that's fine. And name Mongo and Mongo-Express. This admin and secret password is that. And this is container, right? MongoDB container. And what about this container? Where is container for this? Okay. This is image. Okay, 1 second. Okay, maybe it will pull. Let's see. Huh? So I'll save this. Enter ls. You see, this is the file, right? MongoDB service.yaml. All right.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, that's fine. Then next, what we will do is, uh, so before we run whatever CLI commands are there, CLI commands we have run yesterday, right? So though that command related we have to remove. Okay. So did I 1 second? Did we mention network here? No, right? So
No,
we
sir.
have mentioned 1 minute. Let me cross check. This MongoDB, Mongo ports environment. Okay, and okay. So okay, let's try with this. 1 second. So network I did not remove. Okay, this to Docker ps, no Docker containers running. Docker ps hyphen a. Okay, I will remove these two containers. Okay, Docker stopped, right? Stop. Still I'm just giving again and again to avoid mistakes. Okay, To avoid conflicts, I'm just removing this. Okay. Okay. Docker stop. Okay. Docker ps -a. Okay. So now it's clear. All right. So what I will do is now, let me cross check Docker network ls. Yeah, this is a network, right? So MongoDB underscore network. Okay, Docker network. Now it is clear, guys. I want to everything clear. So let me create Docker network. Docker network MongoDB DB underscore network. What is this? Anything mistake?
Create.
Docker, yeah, network create. Docker network, sorry, network ls. Yeah, this one. All right, we got this. That's fine. So now what I will do is I want to run the YAML file. Okay, this is the command docker compose docker hyphen compose. Guys, see this docker compose I'm directly giving. I'm not installing any docker compose packages. Why? Because whenever we have installed docker, whenever we are setting up, so earlier initially we have set up all the docker, right? So while we are setting all the docker setup, so default it is a part of that setup, docker setup. Okay, docker compose also got ready, and docker compose hyphen f. What is hyphen f?
Force, sir.
Hyphen f, what is it? Is not force, it is file. What is file?
File, okay.
YAML file,
YAML file.
right? Yeah. So simple, up, enter. What is this? Docker if1 compose not found, but can be installed with the Docker. Okay, some version. Okay, all right, all right. Actually, it should be get. 1 second, man. Docker. Yeah, simple thing. Actually, we have not completely done package, which means that's it only. Okay, so we can also install now. So let's run this. Copy. Okay. What is happening? See this error, docker exception while running fetching API version, got unexpected key argument. What is that unexpected key argument? Okay, line number 33, module. So here got one. Python files. One second. Let's try. Almost correct. There is a small, one second. There is a small issue with the MS server variable Mongo Express service. It could be referred the service name MongoDB installed of Mongo underscore container. Why? See this service, it should refer to service MongoDB instead of Mongo underscore container. Understood? So we have mentioned underscore container, right? Here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There
Yeah,
should
it
be
is telling
underscore
that
container.
okay, it will refer maybe. Let's see. All right. Let me try to open this VA. See this MongoDB. All right. Let me try again. Checked. Okay, some Docker files not yet installed while at the time. Okay, let me dependent packages not installed. Okay, install apt install. Okay, I'm trying to install dependent packages. Okay, it is not able to read Python related files, so dependent packages are installing. So let me try to install apt install Python 3. Okay, these are all prerequisites for this application. Okay, no problem, nothing doing wrong. Okay, what is this? dpkg was interrupted. You must manually run configure -a to correct the problem. Do I need to run this like this? Okay, all right. So let's see. Docker info. Images are 11, containers are 25. Volumes. Okay. Let me install all package related Docker. Paste. Pip install Docker. Hey, sorry, what is this? Uninstall. Reinstall Docker Python client. Anyways, what is this issue again? Got unexpected error. Where Docker dot error, Docker exception error while run fetching API version HTTP request. Mhm. So it is asking git clone. That is, not yes. Okay. Apt update. Docker package little, I think package broken. Something it is showing. Okay, it is showing Docker Compose version 2.281. Okay, let me try with these commands all again and again. Actually, I have wrong selected with M. Okay, dpkg was in. I have done yesterday. I have done this just before. This why? Okay, no space left on device. Okay. Hmm. We have to extend the RAM guys. Understood? No space. That is a big container, so it is not able to take. So I need to extend the RAM. Okay. Never works anything. Any command, it is not allowing because you don't have a space. Okay. It is not taking. Even for non-install also it is not taking. Why? Pip install docker, pip install request, pip show request. Docker configuration issue is there. dpkg was interrupted. You must manually run. Okay. Failed database. No space left. Okay, I'll do one thing, guys. What I will do is I will increase my RAM. Okay, you understood?
Yes, sir.
I will increase my
Yes, sir.
RAM, and after that I will install and try. After that only we'll connect. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. So
Yes,
now,
sir. Yes, sir.
okay. See you. See you for next class. Maybe no class in the afternoon. Maybe we'll connect tomorrow.
Sure, sir.
Okay. I'm going travel actually. I need to go 100 kilometers long. So let's see. If I get a chance, definitely I'll connect with you.
Okay, sir. Fine.
All right. Take care,
Yes, sir.
guys.
Thank you.
Till then, take care. Bye bye.
Yeah, thank you.